Welcome to my show, Metal Chef Mad Max. Hey, what's going on, people? How you feeling? How you doing? Welcome back. And like always in the beginning, thank you for watching me. Appreciate you guys. Without you, I'm nothing, and with you we'll conquer the entertainment, culinary, cooking industry. Boom! Dziękuję bardzo. Alright, today the suspect. Let's go put the light on. It's chicken, whole chicken. I will show you quick butchery class how to debone chicken. So you can make deboned chicken on a grill, deboned chicken roasted, deboned chicken stuffed. I'll probably do with this baby little roulade. I'll stuff with all delicious other meats like a pork, chorizo, maybe some beef, wild mushrooms, who knows. But the basic surgery will be here. We got boner knife and my cleaver. An area it's always clean, you know, you got your paper just in case if you shit yourself doing it. No, I'm just kidding, you know, for keeping the place nice and clean. Alright, let's go do it. We got the chicken. Let's go put the chicken like this. And the wings, we're gonna cut it, you know, the arm, it's here. Right here. Boom! Done. Take the other wing off. Boom! Done. This knife making too much noise, scaring me. And of course you got your stock pot. You're putting all the things in it, because with the bones you got from deboning the chicken, you will make a stock. Alright, leg part. Where's the end of the leg part? You need to remove it too. I'll show you why. Done. Now we're going with the Mr. Bone. Alright. Breast, right here, the breastbone. You making incision like a surgeon. And the breastbone, and you going on a bone. Keep the skin intact, because the skin will be pouch with holding all our stuffings. Okay, so you go like this. And you go down on the bone, you know, just take your time. I know first time can be a little bit tricky. Can be tricky. I understand, I clearly understand. And then when you get to the joint of the wing, watch your fingers, you know, you don't want to be bleeding all over the place. Little bone's gonna go. So you feel with your fingers where is the joint. So you separate the joints with your Mr. Bone. Alright. And from other side, going like this. I used to do quite a few a day, you know, when I work in a place when we did everything charcuterie from scratch and stuff. So the joints are free and removed. Working around the carcass. Alright, now the part with the neck. You go like this with the knife. And the part with the neck it's free. So then you go in with the Mr. Bone, the deboning knife. I call them Mr. Bone. And you get to the area where's the joints for the leg. So you freed up this one. You cut the connective tissue. from the joint, which connects to carcass. Hey, look at this! We almost get to the point. We got rib cage. It's like in a fucking horror movie or surgical room here. Sorry, but that's what's going on here. All right, you got the neck, rib cage, and the backbone removed to the stock pot. All right, we ended up with having this thing. What to do? What to do? All right, with the wing, easy. You set it up like this, so it's kind of, you know, and you go around with your boning knife around the wing bone, cut up the connective tissue and meat around it. And what's gonna happen? You pull it, boom, to the stock pot. Easy peasy. Like said my friend, world famous chef Jeff Aquafino. I hope he's not in the prison. He got involved in some contraband things with the watches. You know, I'm not gonna talk about it. That's his deal. And again, take your time with cutting those. Pull, boom. We got the top part done. With the thighs, cut it, make incision. The same way, man, you work around your thigh, you grab it from the top, and you make little cuts. So it goes like this. Like this, like that. Getting to the lower part of the bone. Cut it around of the leg bone. Like this. And when you think it's ready, all the connective tissue, all the things are free. You hold it up to me, and you pull. And you got bone out. Here we go. It's not that bad. And again, you do it the second leg. You go around cutting those babies up. Like this. Free the meat from the bone. You go around, 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 and you think it's everything cut off really nice. You hold and you pull, and you got the leg bone out, and that's all she wrote, man. You got the bone chicken. It looks like this, baby. It's ready to rock and roll, whatever you want to do with it. You know, it's pretty cool to get the cheesecloth, get all your stuffings and stuff, and roll it, tied up with the butcher's string, cook it, chill it, and you got nice rouladen. But whatever, just marinate this baby, put in a saute pan, put like a little bit press on it, make a nice sauteed off whole chicken. The bone, or put it even in a grill. It's up to you. Let your eagle fly. Alright, that's what I got for right now. Thank you for watching me, Metal Chef Mad Max. Love you people. Thank you again. Appreciate you guys. Keep on checking my shit out. Dziękuję bardzo. Be kind to each other, because life, it's too short to be shitty. Alright, till next time, I love ya and see ya! Boom!